Hey everybody, I have a couple of guns that I like to, come on, Flash likes to sit up here with me. I'm going to be hitting the road, so I want to take a couple of guns with me. I have a few, but these are the two that I'm going to probably take on my trip with me. The 9mm here, it's not loaded of course, it's empty. But this is just a regular old 10 clip, and I have an extra clip right here, and I'll keep that somewhere in the motorhome. But on my other gun here, I've had this shotgun. This is a Mossberg 500 I've had for a long time with a long barrel on there. It came with a shorter barrel, which I'm going to change that out right now. I'm going to make it like a little security gun, a security shotgun. So, and from what I understand, it's pretty simple, so I'm going to give it a shot here. And I got my tools here for it. I'm going to also take this shoulder thing off, and I'm going to put this little pistol grip on there, make it even shorter and easier to handle. And I'll leave a description where I bought this. It was only like 25 bucks, but it was really comfortable feeling. So anyway, I'm going to add that on there. So to get this thing off, you have to take this off. So it's pretty simple. You use a Phillips head screwdriver, and there's two little holes in there. And these screws come right out. That was easy. And then, oh wait, you know what I better do first? Sorry about that. I had better take the bullets. Okay, you got two in there, and then one in the loaded all the time, so that's 3. I'm going to end up making it a six shell by doing this changeover. You'll see. Good thing I unloaded that, huh? All I need to do is blow my head off. Anyway, I got that off. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Go. You're getting in my way. Anyway, a 1/2 wrench and a couple of extensions and a ratchet. That seems there it is. Take that off. Got that off. That was pretty simple. And now to change out this this long barrel, first thing you do is unscrew this thing right here. Never done this before, so bear with me. Looks okay, the barrel's off. That's a long one. Alright, that's off. Okay, next thing I want to do is I want to take that spring, whatever's stopping this thing from loading more shells. I want to take it out. Is that all there is? There's a little pogo stick. That's all that's keeping me from putting more bullets in there. Wow. Alright. So you take that out. That was pretty simple. These are the parts I'm not going to use no more. And then you put it back in. Slide it back on. I think my gun needs to be cleaned also. It's been sitting for a long time. All right, that was easy. Okay, now I'm going to put the short barrel on, and there it goes. You have to pull that cocking thing back a little bit so it'll fit all the way in there, and then screw that back on. Yeah, there we go. I like that. Already I like that. A lot shorter, see that? Wow, I like that. Okay, let's see. Now, put this little pistol grip, shotgun pistol grip. Came with a little Allen screw. And the handle looks good. Wow, nice fit. Okay, and then an Allen wrench. The only thing I didn't see in this was the plug for the the whole thing there, but I guess you don't really need it. So anyway, you tighten that on there. It was a nice tight fit. So I don't want to tighten it too much and break it. Okay, that's it. There we are. Look at that. That's a security shotgun. Okay, let's see how many bullets I can put in it. There's one, there's two, there's three, there's four, there's five. Okay, it won't take the sixth one. So what you do, you load it. It's loaded right now. Safety's on. I'm ready to fire it. So I'm going to add the sixth one. There it is. 6 shells in there. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. I'm ready to go. I gotta somehow find a nice secured spot that I can grab it really quick in case of an emergency. You never know. But anyway, that was easy. That was way too easy. I just turned a regular old 12 gauge shotgun into a security shotgun with a short barrel. How cool is that? I am excited about that. And I'll just keep this, you know, and you never know. I never went hunting ever, so I'll keep all this stuff. And you never know, I might use it. But these guns, when I were looking at them, they're like $700, $800, $1,200. But what I'm going to use it for, I'll just switch this one over whenever I want it. I think that is so cool. Boy, that's a lot better than... Well, anyway, guys, I'm rambling on here. This is pretty cool. This is my little security gun I'm going to be carrying with me traveling in my motorhome. I do believe in Second Amendment rights to own and bear arms, so I hope that don't offend anybody. But when you're out there by yourself and your family or whatever, you have to protect yourself. And sometimes you have to use these things. And I have a couple other things. I have a zapper and I have a knife, but you know, I like it. When I went on my trip in my van, I didn't take nothing with me except for my buck knife and my taser gun and some bear spray. And really, I didn't even need all that stuff. Oh, you know, no, I lied. I did have this gun because I had this gun in the van, but I had it hidden. But anyway, this is my new little toy. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you out on the road. There's Flash. See?